To power on your Nook Color, press and hold the power button on the left-hand side of the device. Wait for the device to power on. To unlock your device, click and hold the lock and pull it to the right. This is your main home screen on your Nook Color. To scroll through the books at the bottom, swipe to the left and to the right. Click and hold a book on your main menu screen to pull up a small options menu, where you can read, view details, or remove from home. Additionally, you can tap and drag the books around your home screen. Double-click to automatically organize your screen. You can also move books from the main navigation bar at the bottom onto your home screen page. Once again, double-click to organize. There's plenty of space on the Nook Color to have many books on your home screen. To open a book, tap. Once the book is loaded, swipe to the left to turn pages forward. Swipe to the right to turn pages backwards. Some Nook Color books come with embedded video. There are volume buttons on the right-hand side of your Nook Color. These can be used to adjust the volume of these embedded videos and other media files. You can interact with these embedded videos as you would with any other video file online. You can use the scroll bar to skip to different portions of the video, and you can pause it if you'd like to come back to it later. Click the Nook button to access the Nook's navigation menu. Click My Library to view a grid version of all of your books. This page scrolls vertically, so move your finger up and down the page to navigate. Click My Files to access ebooks checked out from libraries. Then, click Digital Editions. Within this folder, you'll find all the ebooks that you've downloaded from your local library. Again, click the Nook button to open the navigation menu. Then click Apps. The Nook Color comes preloaded with multiple applications. Clicking the Nook button again returns you to your main page. As you can see, the Nook Color's background is wide enough that it scrolls along with your books as you navigate through the different pages of your home screen. Take some time to become more familiar with the mechanics of navigating your Nook Color. It's easy to move books to and from the scrolling bar at the bottom of the Nook. Additionally, it's easy to organize the books that are already on the main page of your screen. If you accidentally open something, like I just did, don't worry about it. Just click the Nook button again and you'll be taken back to your home page. To change the settings on your Nook Color, open up the menu using the Nook button again and then click the settings icon. Change your settings as needed. The open book icon in the left-hand corner indicates that you're currently reading a book. Click that to return to the book you were reading in the exact place you left off. Click the Nook button to close. Additionally, you can access a list of your most recent files by clicking the More button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen on your main menu page. These links provide a quick way to access the books you've read most recently. The Elephant's Child is a book that comes preloaded on the Nook Color. Keep in mind that this book is at a fixed orientation, so the device must be in landscape mode. You can choose to read to yourself or have the book read to you. I am going to have the book read to me right now. This book does come with a built-in narrator who will read the text on the page to you. Additionally, you can click on the arrow at the bottom of the page to skip to certain pages of the book. Return to the Nook main page by clicking Library in the lower left-hand corner. And now we'll return to portrait mode. Clicking on the More link in the upper right-hand corner, I can now see that the order of the books has been rearranged based on what I've opened most recently. If you need to lock your device, press and hold the power button briefly. Then, you can swipe to unlock again. You may have noticed some grayed out covers on my screen. When I attempt to open them, I get an error message. This is because these are books I have checked out from my library. The checkouts have since expired. As the Nook Color is connected to the wireless, the device realizes that I am no longer able to read these books because my checkout has expired. Therefore, I'm going to remove them from my library page. I'm done using my Nook Color for now, so I'm going to power it off by pressing and holding the power button until a dialog appears on the screen. I'm going to confirm that I do want to power my device off. This is only a brief overview of the Nook Color's capabilities, so make sure to examine your manual thoroughly.